Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for $7,500 monthly income. To begin with, the goal of this calculation is to estimate how much money you may need to invest in dividend-paying assets so you can potentially earn $7,500 per month in dividend income. This kind of calculation is helpful for investors who want to build a strong passive income plan and understand the size of portfolio required. First, set the monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $7,500 per month. That means the portfolio should generate enough dividend income every single month to reach that amount. Next, convert the monthly target into annual income, because dividend calculations are easier to understand on a yearly basis. Since there are 12 months in a year, we multiply $7,500 by 12. As a result, the annual dividend income goal becomes $90,000 per year. After that, apply the dividend yield formula. The formula is simple. Target portfolio value equals annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. In this case, the annual dividend income is $90,000, so we divide that amount by different dividend yields to estimate the required investment portfolio. For example, if the average dividend yield is 3%, the required portfolio value is about $3 million. Likewise, if the dividend yield is 4%, the required portfolio value drops to about $2,250,000. Then, if the dividend yield is 5%, the required portfolio value becomes about $1,800,000. Similarly, if the dividend yield is 6%, the required portfolio value is about $1,500,000. So, the main lesson is very clear. The higher the dividend yield, the less capital is needed to generate the same monthly income. However, it is also important to remember that higher yields may come with higher risk. In some cases, a company offering a very high dividend yield may not be as stable as a company offering a lower but more reliable yield. On the other hand, lower yield investments may require a bigger portfolio, but they are often associated with stronger and more established businesses. Therefore, investors should not focus only on yield. Instead, they should also think about safety, consistency, dividend history, and overall financial strength. In simple terms, if your goal is to earn $7,500 per month from dividends, you may need somewhere between $1.5 million and $3 million invested, depending on the dividend yield of your portfolio. This gives you a realistic range and helps you understand the scale of wealth needed to create that level of passive income. Finally, keep in mind that these examples are only for illustration. Actual results may be affected by taxes, fees, inflation, dividend cuts, and market risk. So, this calculation should be used as a guide for planning, not as a guarantee of future income. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.